Hey everyone, welcome back to Connie's cooking channel. Guess what we're making? Navy beans in the crock pot. And I'll let you know later what kind of meat we're going to have with it. But I will be having dirty rice opposed to brown rice or white rice. I just think dirty rice gives it a kick to it. And I like the seasonings in dirty rice. So we'll be doing that. So without further ado, let's get this party started. Okay, I'm not doing a whole pound of navy beans because it'd be way too much. So I have about a half a pound here. I cut up some, these are andouilles. You can use pork sausage, beef sausage. You can use a ham hock. You can use ham, pieces of ham like this, which is what we're going to use, diced up ham. We're going to also use chicken broth. I'm going to use some water with it. And because this is already seasoned, it's only like a cup in here, y'all. So I'm going to add about 3 cups to the entire crock pot. So I'm going to season it with my Maggi Polo. You know, it's my favorite. It's a substitution for chicken broth to me. So I'm going to use some black pepper, some garlic powder, and of course we have our onions. So just a small onion should be fine for a half a pound. If you was doing a pound, I would just pay double this, okay? So let's get started. The beans, I'm just gonna throw in there. They've been washed. I let them sit overnight in the refrigerator so they can be very soft as they're cooking today, and hopefully it won't take as long. So I'm giving it 6 to 8 hours on low. I'll probably turn it up on high and give it about 6 hours for sure. But yeah, we'll start on low. No rush today. So let's go ahead and get these 2 cups of water in. I'm also gonna need a bay leaf. So let me make sure I get that too before I forget. Hey, I was right, you guys. It's about a cup and 1/4 in here. All right. Now, of course, you know, as we normally do, we're always gonna taste it later, especially when we get that gravy going. If you had your ham bone left from Thanksgiving or Christmas and you froze it, you can use it. This would be great in any type of beans or greens that you're cooking. Just throw this ham in there. Throw my onions in. Season it to taste. Pepper. About a half teaspoon I'm starting off with, and a half teaspoon of garlic. Now you can also use garlic cloves if you like. That's no big deal. So if you want to use garlic cloves, feel free to do that as well. And guess what? The only thing we need is a bay leaf. Give me 1 second. Let's see where the bay leaf is. Now, you don't want the bay leaves, you want the bay leaf. The whole one. Just one. Throw that in there. Grab a spoon and blend it in. I think I will put this on high, you guys, and let it cook. Now, the beans. When you are picking your beans, you don't want to add anything that looks like this. Can you see it? Oops, if I lose it. See? Anything that looks dark like that, you can get rid of it. Disregard it. Anything that looks unlike the normal navy beans that you would normally eat, you don't want to add that to your pot. So make sure you pick that out, throw it away. And I would strongly suggest that we always leave your beans soak, for a while overnight, and that will always make your beans easier to cook. The process will decrease. If you just take it out the pack, rinse them all, put them in there, pretty much add another 2 hours, if not 3, to this. That's in my opinion. But I've always soaked my beans, so let me show you how this looks in here, because I know you're gonna taste it after I get finished, right? And I will make some homemade cornbread tonight, just to let you know. How about that? Because I know I've been talking about cornbread, so we'll make some homemade cornbread to go with these beans tonight. And I'll probably do fish, steak, or chicken. I don't know, maybe we'll have a burger with the beans. So you pretty much have anything in here, because it's already fulfilled with meat. You really don't need anything else but maybe cornbread and the rice, and you're good to go. So, and if you also wanted to eat a little bit more healthier, you can always throw some spinach in at the very end of this. It won't take that long to cook. So, many options to cook these beans. So, without further ado, let me show you how this looks. Give me 1 second. Okay, so this is how it looks going in. We're going to turn the fire on high, or the crock pot on high, and let it cook. Just like that. It's not cooking yet, but I can smell those ingredients, you guys. That's about the amount you need. Now, of course, if you decide you want to use the regular basil leaves, you can do that as well. It's no big deal. I just like to use a bay leaf. It's habit. So I will see you guys back when I make the cornbread, okay? Well, welcome back, everyone. Guess what? Okay, so I did put the beans on, like, I think around 12:30 today, 12 or 12:30. So, I did my little running around, went to the store, grocery shopping, all that good stuff. I come back, I'm talking on the phone with my brother, explaining I'm making a video and I'm cooking some beans. So I look inside the crock pot, y'all. Beans haven't done a doggone thing. Yeah, I turned it on high, but I did not plug it in. So right now it is a little before 7 o'clock. So about 2:30, something to 3 o'clock, I actually started the crock pot. So just wanted to check in to see how it looks. Look at that, y'all. Ooh, yum, yum. Ooh, yum, yum. Y'all ready to eat? I would say it would probably take about roughly another half hour, 45 minutes for this to get done. And I also want to inform you, that some people get, I hate to use gas, but I don't think there's any other word I can possibly use but gas. Some people can't handle beans. So in order to avoid that quote unquote bloating per se, I just put like a half a teaspoon of baking soda, not baking, what is it? Not baking powder, baking soda. Okay, like the kind you use to brush your teeth. Okay, so I just put a little bit in here, and that will help you digest that bubbly feeling that you normally have when you eat beans. That's what I've always done with all of my beans. I always put just a little bit of that baking soda in it. So, what do y'all think about this? What do you think? You like it? How does it look to you? Leave me a comment below. Let me know if you'll try this recipe. Or if you make yours a different way, let me know. Give me your suggestions, your recommendations. I am all game. And before you actually serve this, make sure you remove your bay leaf. You don't want to eat this, okay? Never, ever, ever, ever. So if you have a basil taste and you like basil, use the basil leaves, okay? And then the kind that's crushed, so you can go ahead and leave it in here and it'll blend in just fine. So Doesn't it look good? Yes, Lordy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And as usual, you know the house is smelling good, right? Okay, you guys, so I'm going to give this another half hour, 45 minutes on high, and then I'm going to come back to you and plate it up. We did eat lunch this afternoon, so I did not do the cornbread because we're pretty much full. So maybe in my upcoming videos, I'll do cornbread. And I have the dirty rice already made, so we're just waiting on the beans. And soon as the beans are completely done, because they're not hard, but yet they're not like extra tender and soft the way I want them to be yet. So I will probably say another, no more than 45 minutes, you guys, and we'll be ready to plate it up, okay? All right. I will see you back shortly. Okay, everyone. So I've let this go for another hour and 15, maybe 20 minutes. And look how it looks. We are ready to serve this. Y'all ready to eat? Now, I am going to plate this up for you guys and get a sample because I want you to taste it with me. Look at that, you guys. Hold on. Does that look good or does that not look good? All right. So you don't need that much juice. See? Doesn't that look delicious? I'm ready to eat. Okay, so I have my dirty rice right here in this bowl. And just give me 1 second. I'll plate it up and then we can start grubbing. Okay, everyone. So I've added some pepper to the top of my beans. Oh my God, I can't wait to eat this, you guys. It smells so good. You know, I'm so anxious to taste this. I didn't even grab a spoon. Hold on. Okay, I have my spoon in my hand. Okay, so I added some more pepper. You can add parsley to the top of this if you want some if you want to decorate it some more. Some people add sugar, some people add ketchup, some people add hot sauce. So for tonight, we're just going to eat it as it is because it's so seasoned. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at that. I want you to see this. Look. See them onions in here. I'm an onion lover. Y'all know that. So, them Andouille sausages. Perfect. Look at that, you guys. With the ham. That's why I really didn't need any more meat with this tonight. Because it is definitely enough meat in here for all of us. Look at that. Y'all want some? Hold on. Let me get you a good scoop. You know how messy I can get. That'll be on the floor next. All right, so let me sample this for you guys. Y'all got a taste of it? Hold on. You got it? There you go. Okay. Let me sample this for you. Y'all better try this recipe. Oh, my Lord. Okay, y'all. Y'all know my southern thing. I done put my foot in it. I done put my foot in this on a Monday night. Yes. I'm probably just like hungry because I came off that 10-day cleanse. So I am like ready to pig out and eat some food. So this is delicious. Look at that, you guys. Help me, Jesus. Okay, you guys, listen. You know I would sit up here and try to eat this whole bowl, right? But these are so good. I don't know. I may have to join, what is that? ASMR and do some smacking on these beans because they are delicious, you guys. Let me know if you're going to make these beans in the comments. Please like the video, share with your friends and family. Don't forget to leave your comment below on what you think about this recipe. Any ideas, suggestions, or opinions or advice is welcomed. And then don't forget to hit that bell next to the subscribe button so that you will be notified on my next upload. All right, y'all. Thank you for watching. God bless you and have a wonderful evening. See you next time.